Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So based on the title, I know why you guys clicked on this video, because you would like to see what product I use to remove the hair from my armpit, my pubic area, and also my legs. So this is a product I use. I'm going to show you guys a better clip on that shortly. So it's called Nair. So it exfoliates, it moisturizes your skin. Okay, it is for sensitive skin and it's for all hair types. So at the back you also have the instructions. Okay, but as I said, I'm going to show you guys a video of that shortly. So this is 175 milliliters. In Jamaica it costs almost 2,000 Jamaican dollars for this, but you can definitely get it cheaper on Amazon. And for store locations in Jamaica, you can go to Fontana, you can go to any pharmacy, you can go in the, I think they have them in local supermarkets, but if you shop online, girl, I got you. You can definitely click my Amazon link, my Amazon store, and you can purchase. So I have different types. I have from small, medium, and large. So based on which one you want, you can get, but it's actually the same thing. They remove the hair, guys, and people also put it on their eyebrows, but I don't need to do that. Okay, I don't need to do that. So the main reason why I use this, guys, I know you saw a vlog when I went and get my wax, my Brazilian wax. People, that hurt. So I was like, that is expensive and it's painful, so I can't tolerate pain, and your girl's broke. But otherwise, the reason why I'm not going back, it hurts pretty. Guys, let me know if you did a Brazilian wax before or a bikini. Let me know. If you rather waxing, kudos to you. If you don't want to tolerate the pain, I got your back. Okay. Oh, and some persons use razor. I used to use razor. I don't get razor bumps, so I have no problem. But once I found this, I'd be like, no razor. But if one day this is finished while I'm near or something, I would have to use my razor. But for now, this is my new love. So I want to show you guys how I put it on, how long it stays. But let me see as well. Let me see here. So guys, you have to read the instructions, and for this specific one you should either let it stay for 7 to 10 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes based on your skin type. But for me, I just let it stay a while I have on the cream, because it's like a hair removal cream basically. While I have on the lotion, hair removal cream, whatever you guys want to call it, I either tilt the room, I do something. Okay, so currently right now I'm going to show you my legs soon. Don't worry about that. I'm going to show you guys my legs soon. But I Nair recently, but I said why not just show you guys how I Nair. I'm going to just show you guys my legs today, because you know I can't show you guys anything else. Okay, so based on the love, I'll show you also a skincare routine if you want. But before, what I normally do before I recommend things to others, I try to test it out first, okay, and give you guys the reaction or how it feels, so I can tell you guys about it. Understand? But before I go ahead and start the Nairing process, people, if you reach right here and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting on? Please go ahead and subscribe. Remember to give my video a thumbs up, people, and share it, guys. Road to 10K by December. Okay, road to 10,000 subscribers. And follow me on all my socials, especially Instagram. I'm always on Instagram. You can tweet me on Twitter, baby. You can Snapchat me. What else I use? You can TikTok me. You can email me. Oh, and as well, if you want to show your girl some support, I also have merch in the description as well. And if you want to donate towards my channel or anything, my PayPal is there. So as I mentioned, all the links are definitely in the description box. Please go in the description box. All the links are on my social you guys are asking me for. It's in the description box. So let's start the Nairing process, because your girl gotta go on the road shortly. Okay, so let me just pull it. So this is oil because it's like a cream. the smell. It smells like almost like hair cream. Like if you're relaxing your hair, like you're going to the hair salon, it smells like a cream, but it's not that strong. But let me stop the mumbling and get started, okay? Yes. So this is how it looks. Then you gently apply it upwards. Based on how your hair grow, you apply it upwards. And remove it. It's not painful, guys, okay? It's not like waxing. And just apply more. So anywhere your hair grows, you can apply it. Rinse my hands off. So guys, so now after waiting for almost 15 minutes, let's go ahead and remove the hair. I have a bucket of water, so you just look at the hair on my rag. So easy and simple. Look at that. Just simply look at that, people, look at that. And look at the hair. So, of course, Nair works. See? The hair is being removed, and I just continue the process. Simple. Your girl got a smooth skin now. No hair. Smooth. So yeah, so people, but just come to end the vlog when I was near my legs. So that's why I named my legs. If you're interested in purchasing a Nair, you can definitely check out my Amazon store. The Nair is there. So I don't have nothing else to say. So don't go and big up on yourself and tell me if you use Nair, what you guys use to remove your hair. Nair, razor, or do you wax? Comment below. And which one do you rather? I rather Nair, as I mentioned before, because it's pain free. But yeah, so that's it, people. So see you guys in the next upload. Bye.